Most people try to make 3D shorts fail for one simple reason. They think realism is what makes them viral. It's not. The shorts that explode don't look high quality. They look impossible, unexpected, and slightly wrong in a way your brain can't ignore. In this video, I'm breaking down how to create unreal 3D shorts that actually go viral using AI. So in our case, we're gonna use Creatify. Okay, so not a design tool, but as a psychological weapon for retention. By the end, you will understand why most 3D shorts flop, the exact structure viral 3D shorts follow, how to design scenes that force replays, and how to scale this without burning time or money. So let's talk about the first point, right? Why most 3D shorts flop. Okay, most creators make the same mistake. They build cinematic scenes. Cinematic, slow. Slow equals death on shorts. Problems with 3D shorts are too much details, too much movement, too much explanations, no clear visual idea. Here's the key truth. Shorts don't reward realism. They reward visual confusion that resolves itself. If the viewer immediately understands what they're seeing, retention drops. Okay? What Unreal actually means. Unreal doesn't mean Ultra HD textures, complex lighting, expensive renders. Unreal means familiar object and unfamiliar behavior, realistic psychic or physics breaking one rule, scale manipulation, impossible transformation. Here's an example: a CD folding on itself, a human head made of glass cracking slowly, food behaving like liquid metal, objects breathing subtly. Here's the retention insight. Your brain keeps watching because it's waiting for logic to return. Okay? Every viral 3D shorts follow this exact arc. Instant visual contradiction. Why does that look wrong? Slow reveal. Let confusion build. Do not explain. Partial resolution, right? Between 7 to 12 seconds. The viewer thinks they understand. And then you interrupt before closure. This is the last frame. Cut before satisfaction. Forced loop. Here's a rule. Never let the brain fully relax. Right? So now we're gonna design, or we're gonna type in a prompt that boosts retention. Okay? So one object only, right? Static camera, better than moving camera. Motion must be slow and intentional. Background should be boring. Lighting should feel natural, not dramatic. Here's a counterintuitive insight. The calmer the scene, the stronger the effect. Chaos causes skipping. Calm causes obsession, right? Here's a high level workflow. Write the visual idea first. So we're gonna go ahead and press try YouTube Shorts for free, and we're gonna be inside the Creatify, right? So we're gonna write a script here. Okay, make the script, make a visual idea, generate simple 3D assets. So we're gonna choose this 3D asset, as you can see, static camera, right? And everything. Apply one impossible behavior, render short loopable clip, add minimal text or minimum or none. Okay, here's a capture rule. If the visual is strong, text should be weaker. Text competes with visual confusion, right? So I'm gonna just go ahead and type in this script titled Ordinary Coffee. Elevate your mornings with the coffee supreme, crafted with precision and passion. Each cup is a symphony of flavor. Indulge in the rich aroma and velvety texture that will awaken your senses. So we're gonna just hit next after we select obviously the 3D, right? And we're gonna wait until they generate a 3D video. Most viral 3D shorts are silent or use ambient sound or low, no, non-distracting audio. Sound gives context. Context reduces mystery. As a pro move, design for sound off first. Sound is optional here, okay? And once one concept works, repeat the same object, change only the impossible behavior. Example, same head, glass, water, smoke. Same city, folding, melting, floating. Same food, stone, liquid, vapor. All right. Here's the truth. Originality is dangerous. Replication is safe. All right. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and generate our video and wait for a few moments, and then the video will be shown by Creatify. Right. So Unreal 3D shorts don't go viral because they are impressive. They go viral because they trap attention in uncertainty. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.